So the difference between therapy and family transition coaching / consult, the difference is for therapy, this is where we are processing. We are providing you with strategies and coping skills to help you heal and get to the next phase of your life. Now, family transition coaching or consulting, this is where I am holding your hand through the entire process. I am providing that emotional support, that helping you when it comes to consulting with you about how to help your children through this process, different types of things that you might talk to your attorney about, different things that you might expect during this divorce process or life after divorce process. So I am helping you through that while you are dealing with the very different shifts and pivots that you're going to have to make and deal with emotionally, mentally, physically. I'm holding your hand through all of that. And with the many hats that I wear as a therapist, as a mediator, as a custody evaluator, as a parenting coordinator, I have all of this expertise when it comes to family law that I'm able to now pour into you as a consultant to help you through this process. So it's more than just coaching. I come with a wealth of knowledge and support to help you through.